Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing your COD Mobile calling card. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the main dashboard of COD Mobile, tap your name from the top left of the screen. On this screen, tap Basic. Now you just want to tap your calling card area beside your name. You can now change your calling card if you have any more unlocked. Tap the one you want to use and then tap Show. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more COD Mobile tips and tricks.